Hello everyone, welcome to WA Workflow. In this video, I'll show you how to manage or cancel your subscription, update your payment details, and control billing information both from the WA Workflow extension and from the admin panel. Let's begin. 1. Manage or cancel your subscription from the extension. Access your subscription details. First, open WA Workflow extension on your computer. Inside the extension, go to the Profile section. Here, you'll see your current plan details. Manage your subscription. Now, click on Plan Details. A pop-up will open showing full information about your subscription. Click on Manage Subscription to continue. View billing details and cancel subscription. A new browser tab will open with your billing details. Here, you'll find the Cancel Subscription button. Click on it and follow the on-screen instructions to confirm your cancellation. Update payment details. If you want to change your card or payment method, scroll down on the same billing page. Click on Add Payment Method and update your payment details for future billing. 2. Cancel subscription or change payment method from the admin panel. Log in to the admin panel. Now, let's see how to manage everything from the admin panel. First, log in using your registered email ID. Important, you must use the same email that is linked to your license key. Access the dashboard. After logging in successfully, you'll be redirected to the dashboard. Open the License Key section. From the dashboard, click on License Key. Here, you'll see the complete history of all license keys connected to your account. Manage the license purchase. Find the license key you want to manage. At the end of that license, click on Manage Purchase. You'll be redirected to a new page where you can view your subscription details, cancel your active subscription, or change your payment method. Make the required changes and save them. Update email or mobile number billing info. If you entered incorrect billing details, scroll down to the Billing Information section. Click on Update Information. Here you can update your email address, mobile number, and other billing-related details. Don't forget to save your changes. Quick tips. All plans are subscription-based and auto-renew by default unless you cancel them manually. If you cancel and later change your mind, you can reactivate your subscription anytime from the billing section. That's how you can easily manage, cancel, or update your WA Workflow subscription. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials and updates. Thanks for watching.